أهلا وسهلا. This is welcome in English. So hello each and everyone. I'm Noor, and today we're going to learn the first family of Arabic letters, which are second, third, and fourth letters of Arabic alphabets. These are called both family. Okay, they are not really called this way, but it's for the sake of learning. So let's begin. I am going to introduce you first to these letters, and then I'm going to show you how to write them step by step. So let's begin. This is ba. The boat I was talking about is this this shape. Ba, ba, ba. Repeat after me, please. Ba, ba, ba. Batta, 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 batta. Ta, ta, ta. تفاحة, تفاحة, تفاحة. توت, 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 توت. Be careful. توت, توت. It should be long. Be careful. Toot. Repeat it after me. Toot. Correct. Excellent. Perfect. You're so smart. ثاء, ثاء, ثاء. ثعبان, 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 ثعبان. Okay, enough pronunciation. Let's learn how to write them down now. Okay, so we draw a horizontal line like this, horizontal line, or segments, and two little segments at the edges like this and like this. Okay, it looks so bad. I think I should use the pen instead. This shape look like a boat, a basic boat, let's say. Bring a pen and a paper and try it along with me, please. So the difference between the three letters, okay, I'm going to write others. The difference between the three letters of today's lesson is the position of the dots. The first one has a dot below the boat. Below. Be careful. Be careful. Below. It's below. Below. So it's ba. 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 Below. Ba. Below. Ba. Ba. Excellent. And the second one has two dots. Two dots. Two dots. So it's ta, 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 ta. Perfect. And the third one has three dots. Let's say this is dad, this is mom, and this is sibling. Let's say daughter or son. It doesn't matter. So the sibling inherited three dots from his dad and mom. So little genetics, little notions of genetics. So this is the three dots, the three dots, the. Excellent. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And as you can see, it's so easy. Just try them and write them down on your notebook. And I'm going to tell you goodbye and prepare yourself for the next lesson. So goodbye. Bye.